Hey, I'm Mateo with WTI. My wife and I have been completely blown away by these grounding sheets from 1AMG. Honestly, I was a bit skeptical at first. I wasn't sure if a grounding sheet could actually improve my sleep, but after using it for a while and tracking our sleep patterns, the results speak for themselves. Both my wife and I are experiencing deeper sleep and fewer wake ups during the night. As you can see here, how my app tracks my sleep, there's very little or no wake ups during the night. One of the first things we noticed was that even our cats were drawn to the sheets. They started sleeping on them too and seemed noticeably calmer. While lying on the sheets, I didn't feel anything unusual, just comfort. The organic cotton material is soft, breathable, and it feels great against the skin. Setup is super easy. I just snap the grounding connection cord onto the metal stud on the sheet, then plug the other end into the grounding port on my wall outlet. We've been so impressed that we have already recommended them to a few family members and friends. And that is my point of view.